chestnuts roasting over an open fire. Jack frost nipping at your nose. Not so much around here in the Canary Islands, but the chestnuts are a tradition. They've been around for hundreds of years. And today we're going to check out different parts of the island, go visit a friend at their garden. They have chestnut trees, and we're going to check out how they pick them, collect them, and prepare them. Right around Christmas time, it's the special Christmas edition of Brian's Green Garden. Okay, well here we are in the north end of Tenerife with Matthias. Thank you for having us at your huerto, Matthias. We went for a little walk and now we're in his property. So Matthias, tell us about the chestnuts.
Yeah, the chestnut is in this area of Tenerife. It's quite typical to have chestnut trees all over. So in this time of the year, and beginning in October, November, December, all the people are going to collect chestnuts. And
how do they pick them from the tree, or do they wait for them to fall to the ground?
normally they wait them to fall.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So it's a big tradition here in the Canary Islands.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically, what's the process? Can you explain the process a little bit of how we, because we're going to put it on the barbecue here, but what do we have to do before that all happens?
Yeah, the chestnut, you just first you make some kind of selections because there might be some that are not good, and so you pick up the best chestnuts. You make a cross cut with a knife.
Okay. Why do you do that?
You do that so they won't explode in your face.
Oh, so why do you cut the chestnuts?
When they
Ah! They'll explode on you if you don't cut the chestnut. I took one in the chest there.
Are you not got over here, no?
Good thing I was wearing my vest. All right, and then how long do you cook them for on your? What do you use in your barbecue?
With just simple carbon.
Yeah, a little coal.
Coal, yeah, coal. Yeah. And the closer you get them to the fire, the best it is, because in the commercial places normally they even just have like a
chimney almost.
yeah,
like
a chimney where they put them on.
Yeah.
So
why do they do that?
I guess it's the most effective way to heat them, no? So the heat goes up.
Okay, yeah, because heat rises.
Yeah, and then you leave them on it about 20 minutes.
Nice.
After 10 minutes you turn them a little bit so both sides get
Give them a
the
little
heat.
shake. Very nice.
And you just peel them and enjoy them.
And away you go. And what is your preferred drink while having chestnuts?
Of course, there's nothing better than a fresh beer.
There is nothing better than that. I'll agree with you on that. My friend Matthias is originally from Germany, so he knows what he's talking about when it comes to beer.
Cheers. So, we've got some more chestnuts ready to taste them. Go for it. Have one.
Thank you. Oh, those look good. Let's take a look, Matthias. What do you got there?
Let's take a look. Oh, yes. Look at this.
Look at that.
That's a nice
How can you tell?
chestnut of the color.
The color?
Yes. It looks like that. It's not good.
Okay, that's a bad one.
Yeah, that's a red one. That's a nice one. Yellow.
Yellow.
Soft.
Yellow.
Mmm. Delicious.
Beer goes well with chestnuts, no, Matthias?
Yes, it's delicious. A good dorada from Tenerife. The chestnut.
I'm not sponsored by Dorada, but if Dorada sees this and they're thinking about it, let me know. Leave a comment. Thank you so much, Matthias. That was great. Nice little day in the countryside. Now let's head into town to see how they do it in the center, in the capital. Where's that smoke coming from?
Bueno, hasta luego.
Son, ¿cómo se llama el fruto seco?
Castaña.
Castaña. ¿Y cómo es asada? ¿Cómo se dice esta técnica?
Tostada.
Costada.
El carbón abajo y se van tostando.
Carbón. Oh, mira, pero no hay. ¿Dónde está el fuego?
El fuego está aquí.
Ah. Y encima para arriba.
¿Ven?
Oh, yeah. ¿Y con sal?
Sí,
Sal.
sí, crudas son así.
El cruda aquí. Y asada. Asada.
Sí.
se llama. Asada se llama. Qué bien. Y ustedes tienen años aquí, ¿no?
Sí.
Chachi. Y tiene sus propios árboles
Sí, tenemos castañeros.
en Tenerife, evidente.
Esperanza.
La Esperanza. Ah. Let's just take a little walk down the Rambla and check out the neighbors. Mira, ok, aquí.
Aquí viene el librito.
Muy bien.
Ok.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Oh, relax.